Hello? Hello, no? Ladies and children's wear. Gusto mo tanaw klaseng-klaseng mga hayop nga sama ni ani? Ay kini di ang hayop, galaw-gaw. Tara, kuyugi mi ninyo, manuroy ta ninyo sa Crocodile Park.
Sana all.
Apan sa dili pa, pahinumdum una, asayod ba kamo nga ang tabliya sinagulan na siya kakaw? Kay ug kung wala pagaling mo na sayod, mayra po. Ug ang una namong gibuhat, niadto mo ni Bibi sa kulungan sa manok. Taon mi sa ilahang manok. Lain man ilang manok recall kay dagko man kayo og agas man kayo liog. Ko kayo. Akong anak man to gusto magpakaon. Ako man tayo naguna-una. Badlungon ni mga amahana. Pero ako manoy nalingaw kaysa akong anak. Oh, murag perting lingawa ginako gyud. Dako kay gisi. Kaayo ra nimo ipakaon sa outreach call. Outreach. Kasi tawag ani ostrich. Ug pagkauman na magpakaon silang ostrich. Tanaw dahil min din ano ilang mga ginagmay, mga pasandayag na makalingaw sa mga mata, mga parade sa klasik-klasing mga hayop nga sama ni ani. Hello. Apan sa dili pata mo tanaw sa mga parade sa klasik-klasing mga hayop, mo tanaw sa una kita sa ilang fish feeding sa ilang crocodile. Hello, no? Hello. Kuya, ora ba kayong dagway na ilang crocodile dire? Kaya jog dagway sa buhaya. Pag-amping di amigo ha. Basig ma-slide ka. Basig ikaw niya maton sa buhaya. Kunya kay kulang man lagi ang isa ka chicken. Gidungagan og isa ka chicken. Grabe. Dako gaday kaon ning mga buhaya, no? Hello. Grabe. Waman gyagig usap. Usapa pod call. Nya be, unsa may kaingon nimo be? Unsa yan sa crocodile yan sa? Og unya, balik data sa main event. Ang mga parade sa nagklase-klaseng mga hayop. Tara! Monkey!
Haliatus logogaster, logo meaning one, and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call the word belly sea eagle. Now they're commonly found in coastal areas of India, Australia, and of course here in the Philippines. They're actually the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2 meters or 7 feet wide. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanilang mga kapag. Especially yung nasa adult size na po sila. Now, i-meet na namin ang kanyang small but terrible cousin. But first, mom, kindly turn off lang po the flash, ma'am. Flash po. Ayan, thank you so much po. Now, i-meet na namin ang kanyang younger, small but terrible cousin na si Jeje. You hear the boy? Zigzag. And there you go. That is Zigzag, our Brahminica, to the scientific name of Hyesper indus, or locally known as the Banu. Now, Brahminicas are commonly found near coastal areas or mangrove areas, since most of their food consists of fish, crabs, and sometimes sea snakes. Now, Brahminicas, guys, practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. So, nangunguha po sila ng pagkain from the other animals. Just secure, maybe small, won't hesitate to steal food from other animals. Small but terrible indeed. But now, imimita natin ang ating last raptor na si Pagaspas, or Philippine Serpent Eagle. And ayan si Pagaspas, guys. And Pagaspas will show us how they hunt po. So meron tayo dito boy lizard. Now Pagaspas. Pagaspas, and once again, guys, we are still working with wild animals. So as much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior po. And Pagaspas boy, come here na boy. And there you go. There was target lock. And dive bomb their target. Balance first. So Pagaspas is a Philippine Serpent Eagle with a scientific name of Spilornis furispilus. Spilo meaning spotted and Ornis meaning bird. As you can see, Pagaspas has spots all over his body. Now, Lakas, Zigzag, and Pagaspas are birds of prey or raptor. Raptor meaning from Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you know this po, mga kuya natin here are wearing protective gloves, since most of raptors have sharp and powerful talons. The raptors, as big as the Philippine eagle, can actually crush a skull of a monkey. So ganyan po ka-powerful ang kanilang mga talons. And here in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors, but the Davao Tropical Park in Zoo we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahminicide, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the grass owl. And that's all for our raptors, guys. Palakpakan po natin sila. And syempre, natin mga kuya na si Kuya Zimar, Kuya Edsel, and Kuya Michael. Thank you so much, boys. Ayan. And that is back our balloon dog. So may pa-pieces ba yan, Kuya? Okay, well, that is back with Kuya Dexter. So back here, it has a scientific name of Anaarabona, meaning genius. So why are they called the genius? They have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child po. Kaya po mga klaseng talino na po sila ng 4 na taong gulang na bata. And just like most pirates, guys, Barak has what we call a zygodactyl. Now what is zygodactyl na ba? Iba, makita niya ni Barak using a Filipino football called Kadang-Kadang. Now Barak, Sakay, and Marcha. That is zygodactyl combination po. So in the back, a lot of group items. So March again, boy, on the left, left, and forward. Good boy, palakpakan po natin si Barak, guys. At dahil sa Barak, may high-five po kay Kuya Elsa at Dexter. High-five! Ayan. And guys, ito sa Barak ay napaka-sweet na bird. No, Barak? Kiss to Kuya Dexter. Yes. Kiss to Kuya Dexter. One more time sa kabilang pisngi naman. Wow! At hindi lang yan, guys. Si Barak ay also an eco-warrior. So sino nga ba dito ang nagsasagigate ng kailang mga basura? Pasa naman! Sila, ma'am, yes? How about the others? Naku po, si Barak, tuturuan tayo ni Barak how to segregate our litter. So ano nga po nandiyan, Kuya? We have the non-biodegradable bin, hindi nabubulok, and we also have here a biodegradable bin or nabubulok. And of course, i-check nyo ni Barak kung gumagana ba? Gumagana! Ngayon, one more time, Barak, pinisa naman. Very good. Now, Kuya, ready na ba? Now, the count of 3 na baka basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! So, ano nga bang kinukuha ni Barak? It's a piece of plastic, which is gonna go to non-biodegradable bin. And one more time, Barak, leaf or dahan, which siya. Okay na mga Mr. mga ate kuya. Uy, bye-bye kung para ko. Uy, bye-bye. Bye-bye na barak. Dahil nag-bye-bye.
Bye-bye na ni Barak.
Bye-bye. Okay. Uy, bye-bye. Uy. Bye-bye na, uy. Uy. Pag ginagawa ko yan ni Barak, ibig sabihin Mr. wants to stay sa show. However, we need to highlight our other ang tinatawag na the alarm clock of the rainforest. The Kalaw, the Philippine Great Cardinal, the si Mr. Bill. Now, Mr. Bill, come here and there you are, of course, ang kanyang younger brother, na si JJ. And that is Mr. Bill and JJ, or also known as the Philippine Great Cardinal, with a scientific name of Joseros Mindanensis, Mindanensis, and Ensis meaning belong to the Lord, Mindanao. As you notice po, their bills are under the mga it comprises 30% of its body. And this afternoon guys, magpapakita nila sila gamit ang kanilang pagkakita. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now on the count of 3, you need to shout flat. Okay, now practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... Line! All of the others! Nakasan pa guys! One more time! 1, 2, 3, and... Line! Now, ready na nga ang ating mga isina, kuya? Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Prepare your cameras! Mabilis lang to! At the count of 3! 1, 2, 3, and... Line! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ! Now if you see one will do it, I know you are so very lucky because actually it they did really well. So naliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. So mas marami concert ang match ng lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl ng kalaw. Did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana alam, di ba? Now, magpapagkitan nila sila. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis na po. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our favorite weapon, or also known as the Kalaw. The alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and now pinagpalakpakan po natin sila. And of course, ang ating mga co-featuremakers is Kuya Axel and Kuya Jimon. Polo or umbrella person. The scientific name of Kakatuwa Alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. Now did you know that Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Sa kabayan! And wow, dami mong pare sa Apollo. How about this one? How about Kuya Michael? Who wants to see Kuya Michael dance? Wow! Ang dami yung fans kaya sa'yo kayong dalawa ha? Okay, now Makara, music please. Ayaw Apollo. And that is the Murmur Creek that was Michael Jackson. So sorry if you're pulling in. Wow, very palapakan natin si Apollo guys. And syempre, multi-talented star nga si Apollo, marunong din siya umarte. Now Apollo, what do we do if we see a red door? May agila po, nandiyan na sa taas mo mo eh. Agila! Patay! Actually, some animals do this in the wild to pull their predator. So nagpapatay-patayan sila guys. Now, one more time, Apollo! May agila po, may agila! Agila po eh! Patay! Ito mo talaga, Apollo. And syempre, hindi lang yan nagtago po si Apollo guys. At dahil artista siya, we will be having our quick interview session. Okay lang ba, Apollo? Quick interview, Apollo. Okay guys, nag-ready siya guys. Eto, Apollo, sumagot ka ng maayos ha. Apollo, look at Kuya Michael. Is he handsome? Okay ba, si Kuya Michael, Apollo? Wow, sana all. Eto. Apollo, at me, Apollo. Am I pretty? Maganda ba ako, Apollo? Isa pa. Dili dito siya. Now, let's take it sa mga audience na lang, guys. Ito, Apollo. Ayan, si Mama. Naka-polka dots. Apollo! Look at Mama naka-polka dots. Is she pretty? Maganda ba si Mama? Wow! Share, ganyan naman yung mga. Eto, sa mga boys. Eto si Sir! Apollo, look at Sir! Is he handsome? Ano si Sir Apollo? Wow! Apollo, proves of your beauty, guys. Oh, niya, Apollo! Ano nangyari dyan? Ba't ako na yung may ba? Now, Apollo, one last time, babe. One last time. Apollo, look at me. Am I pretty? Maganda ba ako? And that's all for Apollo. Palakpakan po natin. Okay, Kuya. Si Kuya. My girl. Will show us how to lessen our carbon footprints using it. Dang, bicycle. Now, Apollo, at Jumbo. Sakay. Sakay and Sikay. Mama bird, congratulations. Wow. Palakpakan po natin si Apollo, guys. Galing. At syempre sa mga hindi marunong mag-bisikleta, tuturuan nito tayo ni Jumbo. How to ready? Scooter! Now, Jumbo, one more time. Sakay. Sakay and Sikay. There you go, girl. Palakpakan po natin si Jumbo. As you can see, guys, even our animals love to observe Mother Nature. We can also do our part by doing the reuse, recycle, and some alternative ways for our transportation. And that's all for Jumbo po. Palakpakan po natin sila. And of course, with our ating... Now, ready? Come here, boy. And now, steady armful down barefoot to the sun. Buses, Minton, and Sis. Look at one as beautiful, guys. Did you know that the tail can act as a vehicle or it is free hands-out in nature? The definition of free hands-out is being able to grab so they can grab some objects na kasi lang ang aming mga kamay. And of course, ipapakita yan ni Teddy this afternoon po. Now, Teddy, go to your spot, my boy. And are you ready? Down, down, down. Down, and there you go. That is the free hands-out tail and action. You're good, then you have to get some fruits hanging from over. So, palakpakan po natin si Freddy, guys. And now we have the attention to the right side naman. And please welcome Uno, Freddy's older brother. Now, Uno, eto si Uno, guys, may pagkamangyayan. So, let's understand him na lang po. Okay? Once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior po. And, Uno, come here na. Ayan, just work for Uno. Papunta sa kanyang spot. Okay? Now, Uno, the reason that there is bear in the name is because they're able to stand up using their two hind legs. And ipapakita yan ni Uno this afternoon po. Now, Uno, are you ready? Up, up, up. Up. Up, now, now. And there you go. For that is the two hind legs and action. And now, talk about the our bears. Their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po. Promise me. Totoo po yan. Now, ito. Palang bears are omnivores nga pala. So, may tanong ako, guys. What kind of animal ang tawag sa kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? Herbivores, correct. How about meat or carne?
Carnivores.
Carnivores. How about herbs, grasses, and carne? Omnivores. Ito. Anong tawag sa mga hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas?
Frugivore.
Pajibor ko si
Pajibar!
Frugivore. Hindi Pajibor ate. Frugivore. Yung mga nakauwi na nga sila Teddy. Si Uno is power na rin.
Bye-bye, Yono! Bye-bye!
Okay na ba, kuya? Okay.
Bye-bye!
Last animal ambassador na po.
Bye-bye, Yono!
Sila ang sinidilian ng maraming kababaihan. The fan favorite na si Fiona and si Daniel. We have our Ronnie, the captain with Kuya Michael, and of course, Mr. Bill with
Yehey!
Kasi ko, ma'am.
Strong na, strong.
Yay! Ay, Papa, turn it, Papa.
Ah, that's a bird. Wow, ka-bird eye.
Okay na? Yehey! Ana!
Ug mao lang to ang ilang show. Kung gusto gid mo matnala og daghang mga klase-klaseng hayop, pwede mo mangadto sa Crocodile Park. Ug ako po na i-flex ning usa ka hayop ay isti hayop ang akong t-shirt nga BGR t-shirt or by John Rayos t-shirt.